Billy Hardwick, the man who's won more professional tournaments in 1 year than any other bowler in history. Billy puts it this way: you've got to have real desire and dedication about anything you do if you're going to do it right. It's the same with Miller High Life. We've dedicated over 115 years to brewing the best beer there is. Miller makes it right.
This is Big Al Hurt saying that you need only two things when you go fishing: lots of Miller High Life and a little bit of luck. Hey, look at that, man. Big Daddy. That deserves a Miller. Hearty, robust, deep down good. Miller High Life, the champagne of beers.
Oh, is this crowd alive? And they are really alive.
He might be okay. Well, no, probably not now.